Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be doing the coilover install on the car. I'm not really going to be doing a DIY just because I'm trying to get this done as soon as possible, and I'm probably going to have to break it up in 2 days just because I'm starting late and I only have about an hour and a half before it gets dark. And unless I have enough light in here in the garage, then I might keep on working on the car. But if worst case scenario, then I'll probably just finish it in the morning. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you guys the process during, or some of it, and then I'll show you guys the before and after. Okay guys, so this is actually a different day. This is another day where I started working on the car, doing the coilovers. I ran into some issues. I didn't have all the tools. I thought I did, but I wasn't able to finish the job that day. So I ended up finishing it during the week, and I didn't record it. I didn't record anything just because I wanted to get the job done. There's a lot of things, well, not really a lot, but there's a few things that I need to do to the car because I'm actually getting it ready to go to a show, which is going to be this coming weekend. But the only thing is I have to submit pictures to register the car by this coming Thursday, which is going to be the 23rd. I think that's the deadline. So I have to have the car done by the 22nd so I can get the pictures taken, and so I can submit them that night or the day of on the 23rd. There's really not too much to do right now. The biggest concern would be the wheels. Actually, that's going to be a different video. I'm not too sure exactly what I'm going to be doing here. So for right now, this is just a video to show you guys the complete result of the coilover install. I finally got it adjusted to the way that I wanted to. The height, I think it's perfect. It's still drivable. It is a little on the low side, but I love it. It's not super slim, which is, you know, like I said, I wanted to keep it drivable. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys the car. Okay, so just to give you guys a little bit more of the details on the setup of the car is all stock. It's just all it has is the BC coilovers. They're not the extreme low, so they're just the regular BR series. I actually have more room to go, but honestly, at this height, this is perfect for me. The front was actually a lot lower than what that is, so I got the front adjusted to match the back, the same distance between the line on the sidewall of the tire to the fender. That's pretty much even. Everything's set the way I want it to be. Now I have to get wheels, have to get the rear bumper extensions, the rear diffuser put on, the side skirt extensions, and the front lip. I actually have to get it wrapped black. My goal for that was to get everything painted gloss black, and that's not gonna happen. I tried taking the lip off and it's stuck on there really well, and I really don't want to try to pry it off because I'm scared that the paint might crack or flake. Even though it's original paint, I do not want to risk it just because there's a show coming up. So I decided to wrap everything in gloss black, which is going to be coming in on Monday. So I'm going to try to get everything done around Monday and Tuesday while I figure out my wheel situation. So yeah guys, I'll give you guys more of an update on the next video. That's just kind of to let you guys know what's coming and where I'm at with the car. But yeah guys, thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, subscribe and hit that like button, and I'll continue to keep making videos. It's still a small channel, but hopefully I'll end up growing it slowly over time, so stay tuned and I'll have more of this.